Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. Wanted to show you guys this first aid kit that we got for our center console in the car alongside of our other safety items like the glass breaker, some flashlights and headlamps, and hand sanitizer wipes. This kit made sense for us because we're a family of 3 and it has enough material for up to 4 people, from kids to adults. So you're going to have multiple sizes of materials in here. So it's covering our whole entire family, and it's very compact and small, but you have everything you need for the outdoors inside this kit, including a tick remover. So anytime you guys are hiking, you're going to want to have something in case you have a tick to remove it properly. And this is going to get you that. You also have a bunch of different size band-aids and gauze. You have the latex-free gloves, tape, scissors. There's just all kinds of different materials in here depending on what cut or scrape or wound you might need to deal with. This is going to get you the basics that you need to have on hand. You also have these labels right here so you can kind of gravitate your eye towards what you might need as you're looking for them, which I think is really nice. And it just folds up and zippers up, and you can stick it in the center console and you're good to go. So we really like this kit. Y'all check it out.